Hello guys, welcome to Mac Technical. In this video, we are going to install Kali Linux on VirtualBox. So let's get started. Download this OVA file of Kali Linux from the official website of Kali Linux. Link is in the description. It's about 3.5 GB. After downloading, open this file, and after opening this file, you will be directed to VirtualBox. If you want to change the location of the base folder, you can change, and then press import. Now click on agree. You can see the import has started. The import will not take too much time. It will take approximately 5 to 10 minutes. So I am forwarding the video. After successfully importing OVA file of Kali Linux 2020.4, you will see system information of your virtual machine of Kali Linux. And if you scroll down, under description, you will see the username and password. Before starting the virtual machine, once check the settings of the virtual machine. If you don't find any invalid settings, you can start the virtual machine, and as you can see, I got two errors. The first one is about system. I think I gave more than 50% of memory of my RAM for the virtual machine. So come to system and decrease the RAM. I am giving approximately 1.5 GB. And the second error was in USB page. Now go to USB page and select USB 1.1 controller and then press OK. And if you have another error like system acceleration, you can watch my previous video about VirtualBox, how to enable virtualization. Now let's start our virtual machine. As you can see, our virtual machine is starting. Here, don't press any key on your keyboard. Kali Linux is booting now. I would like to remind you the username and password was Kali. For full screen, go to View and click on Full Screen Mode. It will show us you can also press Host plus F key to go for full screen. We have successfully installed Kali Linux on our VirtualBox. As you can see, as we have command prompt on our Windows, Kali Linux has terminal, also called as shell. As we have start on bottom of our Windows, Kali Linux has on top of it, and these are the all applications on it. And these are the settings. On top right, we have power options. In this, we have logout, restart, shutdown, suspend, hibernate, hybrid sleep, and switch user. Now I am shutting down. I hope this video was useful for you, and if you have any doubts, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Your single subscription is a great motivation for us to bring these contents regularly. So please subscribe us and stay connected. And don't forget to like, share, and comment.